Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to create in this object in AutoCAD 3D modeling. I draw in top view, circle in diameter 120 mm, C for enter, circle center point, diameter D enter 120 mm, polar circle diameter 100, C enter, center point, D for diameter 100 mm, inner circle diameter 60, polar circle diameter 11, C for enter, center, track this line, D for diameter 11. How many polar circle? 1, 2, 3, 4. Polar array, click, select the object, enter, select the center point. Total 4 circle, enter. This circle erase, change isometric view, extrude the circle, extrude 15 cm, EXT, enter. Up direction plus, down direction minus, I also minus 15, enter. Then press pull command click, polar circle, this line extrude total 45 minus 55, total 30, 30, enter. I change top view, inner circle dia 30, C for enter, center point, D for dia, 13 dia, change isometric view, press pull command, okay, almost done. Change realistic, orbit command, move it, almost done. Cut this portion, three-point arc, first point, second point, third point. Again continue method, enter. Same inner circle 3-point method, first point, second point, third point. Three-point method, arc delete, erase, reference X line, ortho mode on, press pull command, extrude full length, then outer circle extrude, change is realistic. Three D object is done. Unwanted lines how to delete and move your object. Unwanted line delete. grip of F7 key. You add to mat. Object is done.